Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF document on your phone. Now, you could do this on an Android or iPhone. The process is same for both type of phones. So the app which we're going to use today to do this is this Office app over here. So if you don't have this already on your phone, then you can install this. So for that you need to go to your Apple Store or this Play Store over here, and then search for Office, and then the first one over here, this is the one which we're going to download. So I've already downloaded and installed this, so you'll get the option to install, so you can simply install that. Once you've installed the application, you just need to click on the open option, and here we are. If you see, this is the home page. Down at the bottom you have the option of actions. If you click on this, here you see multiple options over here. Now the option we are interested in today is sign a PDF option, so I'm just going to click on this, and here it gives you different options. It shows you the files you've already used previously, and you can also browse different files which are saved on your OneDrive or your device. So for now I'm just going to use the file which I have already here, so I'm just going to click on that and open it, and here we are inside the file. Now it shows you down at the bottom, tap where you wish to sign. So you just need to tap wherever you want to add your signature. For now, if I want to click over here, now here I've already added my signature in the application. If you are using this first time, it will show you an option to add your signature, so you can just draw your signature over there and then save those to be used anytime you want to sign a PDF file. So it gets stored inside your Office app. So and also when you want to use that signature, it gives you the option to either use an existing one, or if you want to draw a new one, you can simply click on the little bin icon on the side, delete that and draw a new one. You could do that as well. For now I'm just going to use my existing one. Now once you click on that, it shows you the signature on your file. Now what I can do is I can use the corners to make the size big or small as per my requirement, and once I've adjusted the size, I can also move it around to fix it where I want it. Once you're done with the positioning and the size of the signature, you just need to click on the little tick on the top left corner, and that saves the signature inside your document. So once you're done with the editing, once your signature is saved, you have the option to share this as well. So if you click on this share option down in the bottom right corner, if you click on it, it gives you different options to share. You can share on WhatsApp, you can you have all those options which you normally have on your phone. You can email it, you can do different things with this. These are all the options available to share your file with other people, so they could use this. They can either view it or add it those as well. So these are all the options you have. That's all you need to do to sign a PDF on your phone. Hope this video helped you find out how you can sign a PDF on your phone. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for any upcoming videos like this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.